Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to be doing a very fiery look for you suggested by Clarice. And honestly, normally when I sit down to film I have like a few videos that I'm going to film in like a row, but today I have no ideas. Like, I thought about things for the last 3 days and I have no ideas. So we're going to start with this one, and hopefully by the time I get to the end I can figure out some more things to film. But for today's look, I wanted to do a very fiery smoky eye incorporating reds and oranges and golds. And I'm not exactly sure how I want to look, but we'll find out together, won't we? So we're definitely going to start with the eyes first. That's why I have you zoomed in. I'm going to start by doing my brows and just priming my lids. I'm going to go in with my NYX brow pencil, my Femme Couture brow gel, as well as the Colourpop concealer. Okay, so our brows and our lids are primed, so now we can move on to eyeshadow. So in order to make this look as bold as possible, I'm going to probably have to dig into a few of my palettes in order to get all the colors that I need. So I think I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Dare to Create palette by Morphe, the Rose All Day palette, as well as the Wet n Wild palette, just because I need that one gold in the top there. I'm going to start with the Rose All Day palette. I'm going to set my lids first with this pale yellowy base. Pretty much it looks translucent on my eyes. Once I have that down, I'm going to take this mid-tone orange and I'm going to buff that really high in my crease. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take this really intense red color all over my brush, and we're going to buff that into the crease as well. We're going to keep it a little bit lower. Because I don't have foundation on, I'm not going to worry too much about if I make a mess. We're going to lean it out pretty far because we're going to clean it up later. And we want to slowly build the intensity up, just because we don't want to put too much down at once or else it's going to be very hard to blend it out. So we want to work in these layers. I will then go in with a more tapered brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of Jacks and Hunts on the brush, which is a deep orange and a deep burgundy, and I'm going to go a little bit lower, but still in that crease. We're slowly just building up definition by adding all these shades. I'm going to take those same two shades on a pencil brush, and I'm going to take that under my eye. Now going into the Wet n Wild palette, not a Basic Peach. I feel like that's so weird. We're just going to take this really beautiful gold shade. I'm going to spray my brush, take this on the inner third of the eye. Then going into the Dare to Create palette, I'm going to take this red over here. Again, I'll spray my brush. And we'll take this across the rest of the lid. Being sure to overlap the gold just a little bit, and that's going to help make it fade into the red nicer. The same tapered brush with no additional product, I'll just clean up in the crease a little bit. I'm just going to clean up the eye a little bit, just because it looks a little crazy. Then I'm going to go into this e.l.f. multi-purpose glitter, and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to try something else. Let's hope it works. And then on a super skinny brush, I'm just going to take some, and I'm just going to put it over my crease, just where the gold is. You can like hardly see it, but it's like a little extra pop. Also gonna just take it under my lower lash line just to like right about here, so 1/3 of the way in. It's a little difficult doing with this product just because it does want to move so much. So I'm just going to leave my eyes for now. We'll come back to them, finish them up later. I just want to move on to the rest of my face. I recently picked up these two new brushes from e.l.f. This one is their Ultimate Blending Brush, and this one is their Pointed Powder Brush. I thought it'd be great for like powdering under the eyes, maybe the rest of the face. And this one, I just really wanted a new foundation brush, so we're going to test this out today. I'm going to go ahead and take the Born This Way foundation. I'm going to use 2 pumps on the back of my hand. Just dip my brush into it. And just start going. And let's see how this brush works. Clarice also recommended to me this brush. And this is my first time using it, so I guess you'll be getting my first impression. I really like it. I think this looks really nice. I'm just gonna take whatever leftover foundation and just take it on my neck a bit. I'm gonna conceal with the same concealer I used to prime my eyes. Oh, I hope I didn't go too high. Ah, I didn't, it's okay. I prefer doing my concealer before doing my lower lash line just because it's kind of hard to get right up in the corner. But aside from that, I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and powder my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. And I use this shade 350. It is very soft. You definitely, because it's a pointed brush, you don't want to go up or else it's obviously going to jab you. But just going with the direction of the bristles, it feels very nice. I'm going to go ahead and contour with the Morphe Contour in Showmance. Go ahead and highlight with the e.l.f. highlighter in Awesome Blossom. Highlighting on my cheekbone and over my brow, as well as the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Just a little bit. Let's go ahead and quickly finish up the eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of the Essence Lash Princess. You know what? I don't really know if I like this brow glitter, this multi glitter, just because it really disturbed the eyeshadow. I'm definitely going to need to touch it up a little bit. I'm going to finish this look off with the Toasted Truffle Matte Lipstick from Maybelline. And I think that completes our look, guys. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this look and that it was super fiery and exactly what you wanted, Clarice. And if you did like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and leave comments below for what you guys want to see in the future. And until next time guys, bye!